Welcome to 12 Minutes to Clat. My name is Nehil, your coach for logical reasoning and English language. Right? Guys, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग की बात करें, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग सबका प्रॉब्लम एरिया है वो, बट मुझे लगता है इतना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है नहीं. ओके, टुडे वी गोना टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू स्कोर 23 प्लस इन लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. यू से 23 प्लस इतना हो सकता है? हो सकता है. So first things first, guys, let me ask you a question. What do you think is a better structure? Should I go to the gym uh, 2 days a week for 4 hours every day, or should I go to the gym every day for say 40 minutes? ज्यादा बेटर क्या है? आप बोलोगे every day 40 minutes. इतनी सी बात है. The only thing that you have to focus on in consistency. I'm not asking you to overdo it. आपको बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करना है, लेकिन थोड़ा 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 रोज करना है. See, you have to understand solving questions, reading, and critical reasoning are all skills. Skills are maintained best through practice. I'll give you another example. मान लीजिए मैंने से आई स्टार्ट लर्न टू से बैडमिंटन. ओके, बैडमिंटन खेलना सीखा, मैंने बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा हूँ, फिर 6 महीने नहीं खेला. विल आई बी एट द सेम लेवल व्हेन आई स्टार्ट पिक अप द रैकेट अगेन, or will I do better if I give badminton say even 20 minutes every day, but I regularly keep doing it? So guys, this is the entire this is what the entire lesson is about. It is about consistency. Consistency is the key to your scoring well in your critical reasoning section. कर क्या सकते हैं critical reasoning के लिए? So guys, पहली चीज, when I talk about critical reasoning and how is it different from reading comprehension? Reading comprehension, the name suggests, comprehension means understanding a passage. You have to read and understand a passage and then answer questions based on it. Reasoning में आपको understand करने से ज़्यादा analyze करना है. So you have to analyze the passage, logically analyze the passage. You have to understand the author's perspective. Why is the author saying what the author is saying? You have to question each and every aspect of the argument. Okay? You have to see how the argument is structured together. If what is the premise, what is the conclusion, and what might be an assumption, right? Once you are able to look at an argument like a structure and see कि structure में किस चीज का क्या function है, critical reasoning will become very easy for you. Let's see. What do you have to do? You have to master the course concepts जो मैंने आपको बताया. You have to look at it like a structure. Premise, conclusion and assumption तो आपको पता ही होने चाहिए. अगर आपको ये तीन चीजें समझ में आ गई, then you can figure out strength, weaken, inference, logical flaw, paradox. ये सब will fall into place. See, most high scorers first learn to spot the author's argument structure. The key area is argument structure. इस पे फोकस करना है rather than jumping to the options. यही मैंने आपको बताया था. You have to analyze the argument, not just understand it. You have to use the argument map method. I just told you this. What is the author trying to prove? मतलब conclusion. What evidence is given? मतलब premise. What assumption connects this evidence to the conclusion? यही तो structure होता है. This is my conclusion. This is my premise. And this is my assumption. So when you start looking at an argument in such a way, when you start looking at an argument like a building of sorts, then critical reasoning becomes easy for you. Okay. Speaking of what is important, you have to improve your reading speed and accuracy. ये तो जरूरी है. Guys, this is ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूँ. This is a given for your entire CLAT examination, not just for logical reasoning, but for the entire examination. ठीक है? All the sections are reading based. All the sections are reading based, no matter what section you're talking about. जीके में भी पैसेज आता है. You have to read the passage. Logical, legal aptitude में भी पैसेज आता है. इनफैक्ट मैथ्स में भी अगर आप देखेंगे, except algebra, maths also deals with passage based questions. So unless and until you are good with reading, CLAT is going to be a problem. How do you improve your reading speed? By reading consistently. Suggestion: read one editorial daily from the Hindu, maybe the Indian Express. हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है, आप कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ सकते हैं, कुछ चलेगा, बट यू हैव टू रीड रेगुलरली. सी आई this is your best friend as far as scoring well is concerned. Consistency, that's the key. After reading, write the main argument in one sentence. Identify two supporting points, identify one assumption. Simple. So again वही बात हो गई, आप structure analyze करेंगे अगर argument का, you'll keep yourself in a better stead. Maintain an error log, guys. It's very, very important to maintain an error log. So that brings me to analysis of your mocks as well, analysis of your questions as well. It is not just important to figure out what the right answer is, it is also important to figure out why is it the right answer. ठीक है, जब आप एनालिसिस करेंगे तो आप सिर्फ ये नहीं देखेंगे कि आपकी गलती क्या थी, आप ये भी देखोगे जो आपने आंसर सही दिया था क्या उसकी रीजनिंग सही थी. So not only do you figure out which answers were wrong, you also see whether the answers that you marked correctly are the right answers or not. This goes with the case of mocks and this goes with the case of sectionals as well. And that's why it's important to maintain an error log. After every mock, note the question, your answer, correct answer, why you were wrong. Very important. Also, I would say you should also check why you were right. Not only your mistakes, but whether you were right for the right reasons. कैटेगराइज एरर्स, रीडिंग एरर हो सकता है, लॉजिक एरर हो सकता है, ओवर थिंकिंग तो हम सभी करते हैं, और गेस वर्क, यार ये नहीं करना है. देखो, गेस वर्क नहीं करना है. नहीं आता है, गलत तो रहा है, छोड़ दो. गलत मार्क्स, तुक्का नहीं मारना है. दैट्स द वर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन डू. ओके, मोर अबाउट दिस व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजीज. फॉलो अ डेली रूटीन. गिव यू 30 to 40 minutes, इतना तो दे ही सकते हो आप. 10 minutes editorial reading, 15 minutes 2-3 CLAT LR passage, 10 minutes to analyze mistake. Guys, this is very, very important. Okay, once you realize what your mistake is, chances are that you'll not commit the same mistake again. आप कुछ नया कर सकते हो, लेकिन वही गलती दोबारा हो उसके चांसेस कम है. ठीक है, after 5 minutes you revise concepts. See, look at the last line. क्या लिखा है? Consistency beats marathon practice session. Consistency is the key, my friends. Okay, अगेन ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन रेगुलरली करने की जरूरत है. थोड़ा थोड़ा रोज करते रहेंगे, we'll get there. बाकी तो मैं हूं आपके साथ. अवॉइड कॉमन क्लैट ट्रैप्स. डोंट यूज आउटसाइड नॉलेज. जो गिवन है सिर्फ उस पर ही फोकस करना है, बाहर से कोई नॉलेज नहीं लगानी है. ठीक है, सो इफ आई से ऑल गर्ल्स इन इंडिया हैव ब्रदर्स एंड देन आई से सीता इज अ गर्ल, सीता इज फ्रॉम इंडिया, यू कांट से सीता हैज अ ब्रदर, क्योंकि मैंने आपको ये नहीं बताया कि सीता इज अ गर्ल. ठीक है, more about this later, but don't use outside knowledge. Stick to what is given to you, just that. ठीक है, be suspicious of words like always, never, completely. I've told you extreme options 9 out of 10 times will not be the answer. ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, सब ऐसे ही है, या ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं, something like that. Okay, always, never, completely, ever, all these are extreme options, so we'll try and avoid them. Eliminate options that are not directly connected to the passage. Don't use outside knowledge. Eliminate options that are not connected to the passage. Choose the option that is most supported. Most supported how? Logically. Logical reasoning है ना भाई, तो लॉजिक पे फोकस करेंगे, not the one that sounds smartest. Okay. Target score improvement. If you're currently scoring 10 to 14 out of 24, focus on premise, conclusion and assumption. Focus on figuring out the structure of an argument. अगर आप इससे advanced stage में हैं, say you scoring 15 to 18, then you can move to advanced questions. You can look for inference, strengthening and weakening of an argument. And once you've attained 19 plus, then your focus should be on speed, option, elimination and mock analysis. Step by step procedure है. ठीक है, don't rush to the end. ऐसे धीरे धीरे चलेंगे. Consistency, I repeat, consistency is the key. वीकली गोल आप सेटअप कर सकते हैं, दैट वुड डिपेंड ऑन वेयर यू स्टैंड. ये कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. दिस इज ओपन टू योर ओन एनालिसिस. वेयर डू यू स्टैंड? 2 सेक्शनल टेस्ट और 1 फुल मॉक, दिस आई वुड रिकमेंड. ये तो आपको करना ही चाहिए. एंड अ डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस ऑफ एवरी रॉन्ग आंसर एज वेल एज द राइट आंसर. सो 2-3 चीजें ध्यान रखेंगे. पहली चीज, यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. Second thing, you have to make sure you do the analysis properly. सिर्फ हम ये नहीं देखेंगे कि गलत क्या हुआ, हम ये देखेंगे कि जो सही हुआ है वो सही रीजन की वजह से हुआ है या नहीं. Alright, I'm sure if you stay consistent and if you keep working with us, we will make this happen. My name is Nehil. I'll take your leave and I'll see you next in the next video. Bye.